Hi everyone, I am Banji by name. Initially, this is my first video on YouTube, and it will be my pleasure sharing some things that are very important, tangible things that are very important, and it will be some benefit for those who come across this video that I'm posting right now. What are these things that are very important? Like I said, the things that can cause kidney disease, little things that we don't take note of, they can cause kidney disease. And I wish to share some things that we do every day and we don't take note of all these things. I listed 6 things that can cause kidney disease, can damage your kidney, can destroy your kidney gradually, of which we don't take note of all these 6 things, and we do it every day, every blessed day. Because kidney is very important in our body system, and most people are dying as a result of kidney disease because these little things that I just said, most people don't take note of it because we think it's normal. The first thing that I would like to share with you guys is delaying yourself going to toilet. Delaying yourself, you will be asking me, delaying myself going to toilet? Yes, it's very important. You should take note of that because it can damage your kidney. It's either you want to urinate or you want to poo, and you like, oh, I'm gonna hold myself back, not yet time for me to poo, not yet time for me to urinate. You holding it, it can damage your kidney. It can destroy your kidney gradually. Please take note of that because it is very important. The second thing that can destroy your kidney gradually, little things that you don't even think that can destroy your kidney. The second one is consumption of too much of salt. When you consume a lot of salt in your food, in your spice, you consume a lot of salt, it affects your kidney. It destroys your kidney gradually. The third thing on the list that is very important and you need to take note of is consuming too much of red meat. When you consume a lot of red meat, a lot, it affects your kidney because you are putting much pressure on that kidney, and which can gradually damage that kidney. I never said you shouldn't consume red meat, but too much of it is not good. It's not good for your health. It's not good for your kidney. It's not good for your kidney at all. So take note of that. There's alternative. You can consume chicken, fish, poultry. They are good for you. Maybe once in a while, twice in a month, you can consume red meat, but consuming it a lot, regularly, daily basis, it can damage your kidney. The fourth on my list that I want to share with you guys is drinking too much of caffeine. Like taking a lot of drinks that contain caffeine, like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, cola itself, All these things contain, there are much things that contains caffeine, but this one are the common one that we normally consume. Like some people can't stay without taking Pepsi, consuming Coca-Cola after eating. They do it daily basis, and these things can definitely affect your kidney, can damage your kidney gradually. Please take note of that. I never said you shouldn't consume Pepsi or Coke, but don't consume it too much. Don't consume it on daily basis. Doing things that can damage your kidney, you should limit it. Like, okay, assumption, okay, let me take Pepsi maybe once in a week. That's okay for you, but the consumption can damage your kidney. The fifth one on my list that I want to share with you guys, most of us don't take it serious because some people will eat without consuming water, without taking water. Some will eat in the morning, they'll take their breakfast, their lunch without consuming a lot of water. And that can also damage your kidney. It can damage it gradually, because if you consume a lot of water, it will flourish, purify your kidney. So not taking a lot of water is very, very dangerous to your kidney. So make sure you take note of all these things that can damage your kidney. Consume a lot of water. Consume it a lot. Consume a lot of water. It will really, really help your health. And the last on the list that I will share with you guys is, you guys should, whenever you feel sick, you feel down, like you're not feeling too good, make sure you see your doctor, because it is very, very important. And they do say health is wealth. If there's no health, no sound health, you won't be able to execute your dreams. And it's very, very important for us to stay healthy, for us to execute our dreams and our plan, our goals, our aims and objective in life. So stay healthy in life, we'll be able to achieve all our dreams. And finally, if you really find this video educative, you gain one or two things from this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, like,